So today we're gonna unbox the DJI Mavic Mini. But before we unbox this, I wanted to let you guys know something. So I got a phone call from my job. If you guys didn't know what I do, I'm a veterinary assistant at a clinic in Manhattan. And yeah, I got the phone call saying that if I wanted to come in starting the first week of June, and which I told them, of course, that I will go back. I will keep doing YouTube videos during the week. But yeah, I was not surprised, but it was like going back and things, are going to be different. So it'll be interesting, but I'm excited, and it's crazy how long it's been having not to work. And I'm excited. I get to see a lot of dogs again and play with them and just, do what I love doing. And again, I'll be still doing the YouTube stuff. All right, enough of that. Now let's unbox new Mavic Mini. Well, it's not new. It's new to me, but here it is. Alright, let's unbox. Let's see what's inside. Here we go. I kind of opened it a little bit just because I wanted to take a peek, and I opened it upside down and everything. Alright. So here we have the remote control. Take this out. It's really nice. It's small. It's like 249 grams. So this is the remote here. So you connect your phone to the remote, and I'll show you guys. So these are the antennas up here, and then your phone goes down here, which, if I can figure out, here we go. So it's like a remote control. So I'm gonna just put in my phone and see how that should fit well. Let's see. Hopefully I don't scratch this, since I like taking care of my... Wow, that's pretty big. I know. Alright. So it looks like this. I just have to download the app and everything. Just make sure it's nice and tight there. But yeah, so you control the drone with the remote, and you see the screen here, so you get to see where the drone is going on your phone. We'll put that to the side, and let's see what else comes with. Let's see what's in this box. There's a couple of things here. Just gonna dump everything down. So in this first bag we have, I believe this is what you charge the drone with. What do we got in the next bag? Oh, we have a little tool, like a screwdriver. The next little baggie, let's see, what do we have? So we have the screws in this bag, which I'm not going to take out just yet. And here we have some propellers. And they sell these separate, because apparently when you're first using them, and if you're using them at home and you hit the walls, they can break. So these are not that expensive. You can find them on Amazon. They also sell guards for the propellers, so if you do end up hitting a wall, it protects the propellers. Alright, what else do we have in this other bag? So here, if you have an Android or iPhone, these are the connectors for it. So you see they have USB-C, and then the iPhone, the lightning cable. So you got 3 different connections there, which is pretty cool, right? All right, and now for the moment we've been waiting for is the drone itself. It comes with propellers already. I'm gonna take the labels off. That's one label. We get the label over here. Trying to break it because I feel like this is a fragile thing and it's super light. I think my phone weighs more. All right, there's one wing. There's another one. There's the other one. And there you go. It's so cute. It's really nice and super light. I forgot this label in the back. So here it has a little opening. This is where the battery goes. I'll show you guys that. So this is the battery. It's a decent size, and these you can get separate. I need to order some more because when I use them, you know, I need to have extra. I think everybody should have extra batteries. I am not going to use this indoors. I just have to see if in my area I can fly the drone in my backyard, which I haven't checked yet. But I'll definitely make a video flying this thing at some point, probably really soon. I'm missing one more thing, and it came with books, pamphlets, and stuff like that. But I feel like I'm missing something that I haven't opened yet, and they're right here. Oops. So, with the remote control, it comes with joysticks. So you just have to put them on in the remote. So you just connect them in there. I'm trying to see. Oh, it's a screw. You don't press it in. So you put that one on, and I'm gonna put the next one. So it's a screw. I was pushing it in, and I was like, no. So you just screw it on, and then now you have a joystick, so you control it and watch the drone going wherever it needs to go. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So this is where you connect to charge your battery, and it takes in a micro SD card right here, so you can catch all your videos and pictures. And the cool thing about the remote is that it has the 2 buttons up here in the top on the bumpers. So one is for recording and it has a big red dot, and the other one is to take pictures, which is pretty simple. So as you're watching your drone flying in your phone, you can quickly hit the record button and record as long as you want, or take pictures of some nice views. You just have to make sure you can fly your drone in wherever area you're at. You just have to download the app for it as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it with the remote. I mean, it feels nice and smooth in the hand, so no complaints. It's not that heavy. And it came with a SanDisk as well, 32 gigabytes. So not bad. That is pretty much it for this unboxing. Like I said, I will have a future video of me flying this drone. I can't wait, I'm excited. And you'll see future clips with the drones in my videos as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. This is Ariel Diaz. Peace.